Jack from Brand Wraps. We have a 2023 Chevy Camaro Z01 in the shop. We're wrapping. Color PPF. We've gotten our prep done. We have disassembled where necessary, mirrors, door handles, bumpers, shark fin antenna, and a couple other things. And we're wrapping it in metallic gloss racing green PPF. This is from Evolve out in Miami. And we're going to be doing everything but a couple things like the hood and the trunk, which is already carbon fiber. So we'll show you how it looks on the roof, and then we'll get to the rest of it. We got new pump action bottles. One will be for our slip. The other will be for our tack. This is color PPF. You can do wet or dry application on this specific film, but wanted to get new bottles and try these out. The old ones I had were not as sophisticated, so look forward to seeing how these work. For my slip solution, I'm adding some distilled water first, and then I'm going to take some regular unscented baby shampoo, put it into our measuring cup, and that will go straight into the pressure sprayer, and it's going to auto dump straight into our distilled water, which is a pretty cool feature. Okay, so if you're installing a wet application, I got slip and I got tack. The slip is just distilled water and baby shampoo, and then our tack is just hot water. If you want to add 70% alcohol as well, or any sort of mixture, you can. We're going to do the roof wet app. Some of the side panels and the bumpers will do dry, but the roof we're going to do wet. Here I'm just cutting away some excess material that we're not going to need. Just spraying some slip solution. We're going to peel out the back liner. Just peel that back. Get that tack down. And then we'll peel this out. Yes. Okay. Not that too hard. And then pulling that corner back. Okay, now I'm tacking down corners. Some people have different ways of doing this. This is just how I do it. Tacking down corners to get my stretch dialed in to the middle. And we'll work our way out in both directions. Sort of want semi-hard, confident strokes. Wiping down just to see if I missed anything better. And there you have it. That's your finished product. We'll wait for the film to dry, and then we'll do our edges. Those remaining bubbles will dry up with the sun. Make sure to tune into the next video to see the final result.